Warning. The following program contains a Canadian redneck who doesn't quite know what he's doing, coarse language, and mature subject matter. Viewer discretion is advised.
Good as that, Okay, so friggin' today we're doing a little bit of meal prep with Sammy. What we got here is we got our old little food saver doodad. It's a good old vacuum sealer. So what we're doing is we got ourselves a nice little pork roast, or what is it? Pork loin, center, and rib. So what we did is we threw it in the freezer for about an hour after it's been in the fridge, because it makes it a little bit easier to cut if it's a little frozen, just a little bit. Then we're doing some marinade vacuum preps here. I've been doing this for a little while. So you start out with your base. You can make it yourself from scratch, or if you're a little lazy like me, because I'm on the night shift and I gotta frickin' go, you use a little Kraft barbecue sauce, and that's good. A little bit of base. Then I like to add a little bit of, maybe a teaspoon or two of apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna go over to our good old spice rack here. We're gonna go through and we're just gonna kind of smell things and see what they smell like. I did add some rosemary, a little bit of rosemary, a little bit of where'd it go? A little bit of thyme, like Simon and Garfunkel, rosemary and thyme, and all that kind of things at the Scarborough's Fair. A little bit of garlic. You get a little bit of ginger too, and just enough. You don't need a whole lot, because once you seal it, it's usually. So I'm gonna cut 4 of these up, throw them in, and I don't know. Kind of works. Oh, you want to add about like an ounce or 2 of water, just to kind of, because you don't want the meat to freeze. You kind of want the stuff to freeze, or like a woolly mammoth, So see, I like to cut these a little on the thicker side, a little north of an inch thick, because when you cook them, they shrink a little, and no one likes a little anemic little pancake pork chop. So we're just gonna go and throw these in there. No, I'm just kidding. So now that we got them in here all super fantastic, we're just gonna hit the button. Oh, you gotta hit both. Oh, son of a! Gotta hit both buttons at the same time. Complicated. Oh baby. Oh baby. Yeah, get all that air out. Get all that air out. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Yeah. And once it does its little sealy thing, then you just kind of smush it around a little bit until your little marinade is basically touching all the meats. And pop it in the freezer, and then by the time it's in the freezer and comes out of the freezer and defrosts from the freezer, it's already been marinating for like 2 days ish. So it's good. What are the cats doing? Of course, see, it's like they know. Motor, what are you doing? But yeah, so that's Sammy's little meal prep tip with Sam TF and friggin' wife, Sammy Cheech, and frig off and brap on. Holy dick, boys and girls, we just had a near miss. Was squooshing up the garlic to put in this guy for the wives to make while I'm working later today. And well, the old trusty, she finally done gived up the ghost. Catastrophic failure right at the point of attachment. Just about lopped my finger off. For frigga snaps. Oh my goodness. I guess I gotta do it the old fashioned way. I don't know. I almost lost a digit.